Colin is gonna find his supper. Let's see what he can find.
All right, let's do this. So, I've gotten some tips here. He told me to look like right here, this spot about, to get potatoes. And I don't know if we'll find any, but I hope. And, I mean...
You better pray we find some. You're gonna be hungry if you don't find any food.
Exactly. We don't have any food in the house, definitely. Shh. It's for the content. Oh, found something. That's
oh my
a
goodness.
Potato. Just look right here. Come on. Come on. Right there. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Look at
Looks
that.
like a potato.
Zoom in on... hold on. Where is it? Where did it go?
I think I see it right there under your finger.
No, that was a potato. Oh, right there.
There it is.
Oh. Oh!
Oh, it's a baby.
Still look at it.
Okay, see if you can find a bigger one in there.
That's what I was thinking.
That's not going to fill your belly.
Come on, let's do this. I'm hungry. Give me some food. Oh. Found something?
There's one right there.
Mosquito on me. Oh. Yo, hold on. Let me see that. Let me see that. Look at that, guys. It's not that big, but still potato. Next. Yeah, let's take turns finding potatoes. My turn.
You might have to eat more than one.
My turn finding a potato. My turn.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe we should try over here. I think this soil is softer over here.
Yay. Soft soil.
See where the vines are going down?
Yeah. All right. So right here.
Yeah.
I got it, y'all.
Oh yeah, that's a nice sized one.
Look at that's purple.
Yeah, it is.
Y'all, brighten that in editing
I bet
software.
that'll taste good. It might be purple inside even.
I
I think I saw another little tiny purple one.
Hold on, let's just focus. All right, yo. So this is what it looks like. We'll show you the inside when I eat it.
There's one.
Found one.
Nice.
Subscribe to a new 2 on YouTube while you're at it.
A new 2? What's that?
My YouTube channel.
What's it about?
Minecraft. Crystal PvP. Mostly.
Hey, there's one.
My turn.
Got a meal yet?
No. After I find something, it'll be a meal.
I think I'm going to boil these so they don't get exploded by the microwave.
Really?
Because they're so tiny, yeah.
I've never had boiled potatoes.
They're just like microwaved ones. Nice and soft. We'll have to get the shovel out here and really look for them.
Later.
Yeah.
I'm hungry, so let's go in.
Wait, is that enough to eat?
Yeah.
Hey, here's one. That one just popped out. Okay, so we're going to give these guys a scrub and we'll cook them up. These are called new potatoes when you just dig them out of the ground because their skins are fragile and they cook up nice and tender, but they still have a lot of moisture. All right, let's get them in the pot. So we're going to put the potatoes in. And we're going to turn the stove on to high. So since these are small, we're going to go ahead and boil them for 15 minutes. We're going to put these in the colander to drain them. Go. You got to do what?
The goodie.
The what?
Goodie. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, that was a little off, but who cares? Look at those potatoes. Good. Alright, let me get the salt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a fork here. Oh, yo, I've never had a type of potato like this. Do they taste the same?
Look, it's purple.
Do they taste the same as normal potatoes?
Here, cut it in half and let's look at the inside.
Alright, here.
Yeah, I just ate one. It was really good. There's a knife.
Go ahead and put this one. Look. Look at that,
Look
y'all.
at that, purple. Nice. Here, let me take a snapshot of that actually.
This is soft.
Boiling makes a nice potato. Pretty good?
It's good.
Oh my. Now we can't show this video to Grandma.
That's a no. Y'all, let's eat one of the non-purple potatoes. First, we're gonna cut it in half, because why not? Let's see the difference here. Yo, look.
Whoa, that looks nice and juicy.
Now look at the difference between these two.
Did you hear what I said?
Juicy, yeah.
Nice and juicy.
Yeah, this is so juicy, bro. I wonder how juicy this is gonna be. Juicy in the comments. Yo, comment juicy. Juicy, juicy. All right, let's do this. Let's see how well it tastes. It's good.
So good. Best potato you've ever had in your life, right? Yes, it is, obviously.
Definitely. Well.
Okay, is your belly full?
No.
It's gonna be, right?
Hopefully. Once the potatoes are done. It's so fun to go out in the garden and get my supper. Get out in your garden and go, go, go. So fun saying it.